Ever wondered what it feels like to control the sky like a cinematic director, capturing every angle with absolute precision? This isn't just flying. This is next-level aerial storytelling. Today on DigiBot, we're showcasing 4 groundbreaking drones, from immersive 360 degrees capture to powerful cinematic systems built for creators and professionals alike. Stay till the end, because the final drone might completely redefine how you see aerial filmmaking. What if your drone never missed a shot, no matter where you fly? This is the Antigravity A1, a next-generation 360 drone built for immersive flight, effortless control, and cinematic freedom. At just 249 grams, it's ultralight, travel-ready, and regulation-friendly in most regions, without sacrificing power or capability. But this isn't just another compact drone. The A1 is designed to completely change how you capture, control, and experience flight. With full 360-degree capture, it records everything around you, front, back, above, and below, so you never have to worry about framing mid-flight again. And it does all of that in stunning 8K resolution, delivering incredibly sharp, immersive footage from every angle. Pair it with anti-gravity vision goggles, and you're instantly inside the flight, free to look anywhere, not just where the drone is pointing. Control it with the anti-gravity grip, where simple hand movements and natural gestures translate into precise flight control. Choose between intuitive point-to-fly motion or FPV-style control. Add an obstacle avoidance, deep track subject following, and AI-powered editing, and you've got a drone that does the hard work for you. Safety is built in. The payload detection system instantly senses any unexpected weight, triggering an automatic landing to protect the drone and your surroundings. But the real difference shows when you compare it to traditional drones. While traditional drones can miss the moment due to fixed angles and limited framing, the Antigravity A1 captures everything in every direction, so you can always go back, reframe, and get the perfect shot. No second takes, no missed opportunities. With features like Sky Transition for automated flight routes and Sky Genie for cinematic moves like spiral ascents and orbit shots, creating professional footage becomes effortless, even for beginners. At a 10-kilometer range, intelligent navigation and auto-return, and the A1 becomes a powerful tool for creators, hobbyists, and explorers alike. The Antigravity A1 is available for $1,599, delivering a completely new way to fly. In this part of our presentation, we are taking a look at a flagship drone built for professionals who demand precision and cinematic performance, the DJI Mavic 4 Pro. At its core, it features a powerful 4x3 CMOS Hasselblad camera with 100 megapixel resolution and 6K HDR video at 50 frames per second. The Infinity Gimbal enables up to 70-degree upward shots, unlocking unique creative angles. A new aerodynamic design boosts efficiency with up to 51 minutes of flight time and a top speed of 90 kilometers per hour. For dynamic scenes, the telecamera supports 4K slow motion at 100 frames per second, capturing action with precision. With DJI's O4 Plus video transmission, you get a 30-kilometer range and stable 10-bit HDR live feed for reliable long-distance operation. Active Track 360-degree keeps subjects perfectly framed, while automatic return to home enhances flight safety. The Hasselblad camera offers around 16 stops of dynamic range, ensuring balanced exposure in all lighting conditions. The RC Pro 2 controller features a collapsible design with a bright display for professional control on the go. In low light, the 0.1 Lux Nightscape omnidirectional obstacle sensing system detects obstacles for safer night flights. Combining a triple camera system, long flight time, and advanced intelligent features, the DJI Mavic 4 Pro delivers true flagship performance, available at $2,199. In this presentation, we are presenting not just one drone. We are presenting a drone series that redefines aerial imaging, performance, and intelligent flight. This is the Autel Robotics Evo 2 series, built to push the boundaries of modern flight and deliver unmatched capability for creators, professionals, and explorers alike. The Evo 2 stands out as the world's first 8K foldable drone, capturing ultra-high-resolution video and stunning 48-megapixel photos, allowing you to preserve every detail like never before. With a 10-bit A-log color profile, it records up to 1 billion colors, while its 4K HDR video enhances dynamic range, delivering richer highlights and deeper shadows. Equipped with phase detection autofocus and 120 frames per second slow motion, it becomes a powerful tool for capturing fast-moving subjects with precision and cinematic clarity. With defogging mode and 4 times lossless zoom, ensure you can shoot from a distance without compromising detail, making it ideal for complex environments. While the Evo 2 focuses on detail, the Evo 2 Pro is designed for professionals who demand greater control and image quality. It features a 20-megapixel 1-inch sensor and an adjustable f2.8 aperture, enabling superior light control and delivering beautifully balanced aerial photography. With outstanding low-light performance, the Evo 2 Pro captures exceptional night footage, bringing clarity even in challenging lighting conditions. The Evo 2 Dual, equipped with a FLIR thermal camera, combines visible and thermal imaging, making it perfect for commercial operations, inspections, and first responder missions. Powered by Autel Robotics' advanced flight control system, the Evo 2 series delivers a smooth and intuitive flying experience that feels effortless. Its redesigned airframe includes 12 optical sensors, enabling omnidirectional obstacle avoidance by building a real-time 3D map of the environment. With intelligent path planning and a dual-core object detection system, it can recognize up to 64 subjects simultaneously for precise tracking. Offering up to 40 minutes of flight time, a top speed of 72 kilometers per hour, and a range of 9 kilometers, it delivers performance that goes beyond expectations. Unmatched in resolution, power, and smart vision, the Evo 2 series represents the future of drone technology, available starting at $2,099. Meet the DJI Mavic 3 Cine, a professional-grade drone built for creators who demand cinematic quality in every frame. This powerhouse features a legendary Hasselblad camera system paired with a powerful 4x3 CMOS sensor, delivering stunning image clarity and depth right from the sky. Capture high-resolution photos with incredible detail, whether you're shooting landscapes or cinematic travel footage. The camera offers an impressive 12.8 stops of native dynamic range, preserving highlights and shadows beautifully. With a variable aperture from f2.8 to f11, you get full creative control over exposure and depth of field. When it comes to video, the drone records in 5.1K at 50 frames per second, producing ultra-sharp cinematic visuals. For slow-motion lovers, 4K at 120 frames per second lets you capture dramatic, silky smooth action shots. And for serious filmmakers, support for Apple ProRes 422 HQ codec ensures maximum data retention and flexibility during post-production. The drone also supports 10-bit HDR D-Log video, giving you a wider color spectrum and more grading freedom. Storage is never an issue thanks to the built-in 1TB SSD, allowing you to shoot longer without worrying about space. Color accuracy is taken to the next level with the Hasselblad Natural Color Solution, ensuring realistic tones straight out of the camera, perfect for professional workflows. Beyond the main camera, the system includes an additional 1/2-inch sensor camera, expanding your shooting versatility. Combined with a wide-angle 15.5mm lens and a 108-degree field of view, you can capture more of the scene with breathtaking perspective. Control is just as premium. The DJI RC Pro controller features a bright 1000 nit display, making it easy to view your footage even under direct sunlight. You'll get a smooth 1080p 60 frames per second live feed, ensuring precise framing and real-time monitoring. Speaking of flight, the drone offers up to 46 minutes of flight time, giving you more freedom to capture every angle without rushing. Safety is a priority with APS 5.0 omnidirectional obstacle sensing, helping the drone detect and avoid obstacles in all directions. Tracking shots are effortless with Active Track 5.0 and advanced 3D object detection, keeping your subject perfectly framed even in complex environments. And when it's time to bring the drone back, advanced return to home ensures a safe and efficient route back to you. For creators who want instant cinematic results, Master Shots automatically plans and executes professional-level shots with minimal effort. The DJI Mavic 3 Cine is not just a drone. It's a complete aerial filmmaking system designed for professionals and serious creators. Price: $2,299. If this lineup got you thinking, hit subscribe and stay locked in, because the next DigiBot drop is going even bigger.